Good morning, respected principal, vice principals, and all my dear friends. Today's assembly is conducted by the students of class 11B and 5A. I, Suraj of 11B, will take you through the proceedings of today's assembly. Everything should start with the blessings of Almighty. So let's invoke the blessings through our prayer. A pledge is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. So I request Saksham to lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders. And treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
This is Nutritional Week and today's topic is Eat healthy and do physical activities. Nutrition and physical health is a vital part of a comprehensive health education program and empowers us with knowledge and skill to make healthy food and beverage choices along with the physical activities. So, here is Leona and Vaishnavi to read us with this knowledge.
To eat is a necessity, but to eat intelligently is an art. Good morning to all. Today I am going to talk about something that everybody loves, food. But not the ones that we like, but the ones that we forget about in our day-to-day hectic life. As of now, about 30% of the world's population suffer from diseases that are caused by nutritional deficiencies. These nutrients should come from food and they are vital for disease prevention, growth and good health. So let's talk about some of the basic nutrients that we need on a daily basis along with the assistance of a little friends from 5th standard to help you understand better. Vitamins. Vitamins are vital for warding off diseases and for staying healthy. There are 13 essential vitamins that our body needs to function properly. They are powerful antioxidants and are helpful in healthy vision, skin and bones. A well-balanced diet with fruits and vegetables are more than enough to supply our body with vitamins and minerals. Here we have Shivi and iron showing us some of the tasty fruits and vegetables that we should eat along with our meals. Carbohydrates. We can see a whole lot of new trends on low carb items and its supposed benefits. Do not let it fool you. Carbs fuel our body, especially our central nervous system and brain, and prevents diseases. According to research, carbs should make up about 45 to 65% of our total daily calories. But the type of carb we eat also matters. Whole grains, beans, and fiber-rich vegetables are some providers of healthy carbohydrates. Here we have Manasi showing you a balanced meal filled with carbohydrates as well as other essential nutrients. Protein. Protein is the building block of our body. Not only our muscles, but every cell from our skin to bone to hair contains protein. 16% of our body weight is from protein. So it's no wonder so many protein powders make their presence around us in different forms. As we know, eggs, nuts like cashew and milk supply us with abundant amount of protein. Here we have Parvati exhibiting some of the mentioned examples. Nutrients are a necessity for our body and we all know that. So let's not forget about our health in this competitive world, and most importantly, remember that healthy is not thin and thin is not particularly healthy. Stay good, stay safe. Thank you.
Physical activity. Think of it as a medication you need to take daily. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Vaishnavi of Class 11B, stand before you to present a short speech on the importance of physical activities in our daily life. Everyone is aware that health is wealth. However, it is neglected due to various reasons. As we know, nutrition plays a major role in building a healthy body, but we must also emphasize on physical activities for a better physically fit body. Physical activity can improve your health and reduce the risk of developing several diseases like type 2 diabetes, cancer, cardiovascular diseases. It can have long-term and immediate health benefits. Most importantly, regular activity can improve the quality of life. It also helps to improve cardiorespiratory fitness, build strong bones and muscles, and control weight. It also reduces the symptoms of anxiety, depression, and blocks negative thoughts, hence improving our mental health. As we know, as we are going through COVID-19 restrictions, one can do physical activities indoors to keep ourselves fit. Today, some of my friends from class 5 will demonstrate 4 main types of exercises.
Good morning. Now I will show you 3 exercises that you can do anywhere. First one is back throws. You can do this 10 to 15 times and then rest to 10 to 15 seconds. Second one is side turns. You can do this 10 to 20 times and then rest to 10 to 15 seconds. Third one is jumping jacks. You can do this 20 to 30 times and then rest to 15 to 20 seconds. These are all the 3 exercises that you can do anywhere.
Good morning. I am Khyati Singh from class 5A and I am going to share some facts about exercises. We should practice physical exercises regularly. Exercises should be done 30 minutes in the morning. If we do exercises regularly, we will feel energetic, healthy, and we will have a fresh mind throughout the day. Thank you.
Now, here's Anjali with the vote of thanks.
Indeed, today more than 95% of all chronic diseases are caused by unhealthy food choices, toxic food ingredients, nutritional deficiencies, and lack of physical exercise. With this, we have come to an end of today's assembly. I would like to thank our dear Principal Ma'am, Dr. Nelly Paul Varghese, and our Vice Principal Ma'am for giving us an opportunity to convey the importance of the real wealth. I would also like to thank our coordinating teachers, participants, technical team, and all my dear friends for making this assembly a grand success. I, Anjali Dubey, signing off on behalf of class 11B and 5A. Have a good and a healthy day ahead. Thank you.
Here we come to the end of today's assembly. I, Suraj, sign off on behalf of Class 11B and 5A. Thank you all. Enjoy the day.